The richest people on the planet don't just follow trends, they create them. The billionaires you admire didn't just predict the future, they created it even before people saw it coming. Today, I am going to break down exactly how billionaires spot and create megatrends so you can position yourself ahead of the curve. Billionaires focus on what will dominate in 5, 10, or even 20 years. They think in systems, not just trends. They don't just look at industries, they look at how industries connect. They study weak signals, small early innovations that most people ignore. They follow the money, where top venture capitalists and sovereign wealth funds are placing bets. They have a global perspective. They track innovation in markets outside the US or globally. But how do they actually do this? Let's look at their playbook. Pattern recognition. Now, seeing what others miss is imperative. Billionaires are masters of pattern recognition. They see how technology, demographics, and policy shifts are shaping the future before the mainstream catches on. If you want to think like a billionaire, start looking at patterns instead of reacting to headlines. Follow the money, where capital is flowing. If you want to know what is coming next, just follow the money. Billionaires don't invest based on gut feelings. They invest based on where money is going. Venture capital, which startups are getting the most funding. Government investment, which industries or what industries are getting massive subsidies. Hedge fund moves, where are elite investors shifting capital. Example, the AI boom didn't happen overnight. Billionaires were pouring into AI startups years before ChatGPT exploded onto the scene. Control the narrative. Sometimes, billionaires don't just spot trends, they create them. They control the narrative, shape public perception. Elon Musk and Tesla. Musk made EVs mainstream by hyping their future even before the market was ready. Mark Zuckerberg and the metaverse. He bets the future of Meta on virtual worlds. Crypto billionaires and Bitcoin. Now, this is where they turn fringe technology into global financial movement. They don't wait for the world to change, they force it to change. So, what megatrends are billionaires focusing on right now? From experience, here's what is coming next. AI and automation. Every major billionaire investor is getting or betting on AI disrupting industries. Space colonization. Musk and Bezos are betting big on space as the next trillion-dollar industry. Longevity and biotech. Peter Thiel and Jeff Bezos are also investing in the life extension technologies, decentralized finance and blockchain. The next wave of financial systems is being built outside traditional banks. Energy and sustainability. Bill Gates is betting big on nuclear energy and green technologies. These aren't just trends, they are industries in the making. The question is, will you be ahead of the curve or behind it? Now, how do you spot and profit from megatrends before they hit the mainstream? Develop the information edge. Read white papers and watch industry conferences. Follow insiders on X as well. Track where billionaire investors are betting. Follow hedge funds, VC deals, and sovereign wealth funds. Position yourself early. Invest in high growth areas before they go mainstream. Build in emerging industries. Now, if you are an entrepreneur, it's best to align your business with these megatrends. Stay adaptable. The world changes fast, but the ability to pivot is the biggest asset. The future isn't decided by politicians. Unfortunately, it is shaped by those who see it before it happens. Will you be one of them? Now, tell me in the comments, which megatrend do you think will dominate the next decade? And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit the subscribe button because knowledge is the ultimate power move.